Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Just like you see from the title, this is going to get rid of those excessive chic fats. This is a chic exercise, making sure it burns those fats around this region. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. This is something I've tested and it works effectively. It's going to support fat burning, removing those excessive fats, slimming your cheek, and making sure they are looking very soft, smooth, and attractive. So without wasting time, let me show you the ingredients, how to apply it, where to apply it for best results. So here is how to get rid of excessive facial fats. If you have cheek fats, you want to lose those cheek fats naturally without affecting you or causing wrinkles. This treatment will help greatly. So here we have clove stick. Here is clove. If it's the powdered clove you have, go ahead and make use of it. Here is clove powder. This is gotten from grinding this, turning it into a powdered form, and you get this. So clove will help to stimulate blood circulation, penetrates into those skin tissues, helping to improve blood circulation, burning fats, melting away those fats, and your cheek is going to look slender. So I'm going to show you how to make use of it to obtain great results. After turning your clove stick into a powdered form, so this is what you have to do. You get a dry bowl for mixing. So to make small quantity, you have to add half tablespoon of clove powder into a bowl. Next one here is almond oil. Almond oil is very moisturizing. It contains vitamin E that will help to nourish your skin, get rid of sagginess. So if you make use of this alone, or if you use it with only water, it can cause sagginess, like making your skin to be saggy and loose. So mixing with the right oil is very important. You can go ahead and mix with coconut oil, okay, and it's going to help a lot to lift your skin. As it gets rid of those facial fat, it's going to help to firm your skin and making sure you don't have saggy skin, okay. So you have to go ahead and use almond oil or coconut oil, as I said earlier. So you have to add more of the oil. 2 or 3 tablespoons is enough. You can add more than this oil. Just add more oil. Mix very well, like this. This remedy is very simple, just 2 ingredients, but very effective. So go ahead and mix these 2 ingredients. Make sure you get clove. After mixing the 2 ingredients together, then you have to heat it on a double boiling method. Like, just place it in a pot of water, like just heat it, make it very warm. So after heating it and it's hot, it's time to show you how to apply it on your facial skin so that you can get rid of those facial fats. To melt those cheek fats, this is what you have to do. Just wash your face. You have to heat it on a low heat, like do a double boiling method, like put it in a pot of water so that the steam will heat it up. So make sure it's hot. Then you have to mix it one more time, just like this. Then you have to apply it. So I don't have a fat cheek naturally, okay, but this has been so helpful. It helps a lot of people. If you apply it, you have to massage it like this. Use your 2 hands to apply it, just anti-clockwise and clockwise. Anti-clockwise and clockwise. You just be going like that. So mixing with the right oil is very important, because there are some oils that will not suit this treatment. It will just end up, as those fat is burning, it will just sag your skin around this area. So you don't want a saggy skin. So this is just the best way. Okay, still do it like this if you have wrinkles or if you want to firm your skin. Okay, so you will notice that those cheek fat will be reducing. It will be reducing. You can do this treatment every day. You will notice perfect results. Very helpful. So this is a facial exercise, okay, that you need to stimulate those fat tissues, melting them and making sure your side view or cheek fat is slender. Okay, even if it's not so slender, at least it's going to reduce. So you can store the remain in a tight container. Keep it very safe in a cool, dry place, so that anytime you need it, you just have to apply it. After doing so, you have to allow it for about 30 minutes or above to penetrate. So after that, you just have to wash it off using a cleanser. Then apply a normal moisturizer of your choice. Continue with this treatment 3 times weekly or anyhow you want it. There's no side effects. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share it to everyone. I will see you in my next video.